You asked, how to divide 3211 by 2 using the long division method. 3 divided by 2 equals 1. 1 times 2 equals 2. 3 minus 2 equals 1. Bring down 2, making 12. 12 divided by 2 equals 6. 6 times 2 equals 12. 12 minus 12 equals 0. Bring down 1, making 1. 1 divided by 2 equals 0. 0 times 2 equals 0. 1 minus 0 equals 1. Bring down 1, making 11. 11 divided by 2 equals 5. 5 times 2 equals 10. 11 minus 10 equals 1. The remainder is 1. The final result is 1605 remainder 1.